they observe why they drop engine mostly. One reason why we make engineer they drop engine mostly. One, I already say the engine don't knock. Two, now by engine issue depend on the car. If na 4-cylinder, it's easily for we to change that for the engine room there. But if na 6-cylinder, you must drop that engine like so this particular engine one on the CMC, this is our new client who say just buy this car new. You don't really understand the science of dashboard. So the light just come up immediately. Instead of him to park that car, consult OJ Mechanical for more further updates. He go neglect the car. Now he don't cry. So because of why? He drive that car with your lights on the dashboard, just like that, and the engine knock. So now we don't drop this engine. We're about to overhaul the engine. In the answer, after OJ Mechanical, can this engine be as it is before? We say we go do our guy, you know, whether they fix or they overhaul this engine back. So we say no problem. So whenever you get this kind of issues like engine knocking, changing your top cylinder, please don't forget to reach out to OJ Mechanical. And again, as a car owner, I know go like me you as my client, even though you know my client, that's why you see this video. The 4 victims for engine problem like overheat issue or knocking of engine. So whenever you drive your car as a car owner, please you always put eye for your dashboard, like your temperature gauge, your light, your ABS light, and so on and so forth. If not at the end, it will make you spend much on that car. Or if you put eye for that dashboard notifications, and you again understand those dashboard notifications, it will save you for more expenses. So you say you see any notification where just come up like for your lights or temperature gauge just rise up, you park that car immediately. It will save you for more expenses or dropping off your engine just like this one. So please, if you find this video useful, don't forget also to go to Opinion Comedy TV to go and laugh at some juice stress of car issues out of you, and share and like and comment. Thank you for watching. OJ Mechanical still care about your car's issues. Thank you.